Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken soup quickly. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, which cooks faster. Chop 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These vegetables form the flavorful base. Also, measure out 8 cups of chicken broth and have your favorite seasonings close by. This preparation ensures a smooth and speedy cooking process. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped chicken and cook it for about 5 minutes until it's lightly browned. This step adds depth of flavor. Next, stir in your prepared onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté these vegetables for another 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. This quick sauté builds a delicious foundation for your soup. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour in the 8 cups of chicken broth. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Now, add your seasonings, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Let the soup simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all the ingredients to cook through and the flavors to truly meld, creating a rich and comforting broth. Almost done, give your soup a taste and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt or pepper to suit your preference. For a heartier meal, stir in about 1 cup of cooked egg noodles or rice during the last 5 minutes of simmering. Finally, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. Serve your delicious, quick chicken soup hot and enjoy this comforting, homemade meal in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.